When you are hiring a web developer to design your website, they might need access to your cPanel. However, if you have many other domains inside your cPanel that you do not want the web developer to gain access to, in case of possible abuse, you can always create a special FTP account just for that web developer, so that you can let them do their job with peace of mind. For example, this is the list of domains available in your hosting. This is your main domain. This is an add-on domain. And you might have created some subdomains like these. Therefore, you will not want your web developer to access other websites folders that are not related to their assignment. For this demo, let's assume that they are assigned to create a website for CaratorElectric.com. Therefore, we will create a special FTP account for them, so that they can only see and access CaratorElectric.com folder only. They will not be able to see this folder, or this, or any other folder. This way, your hosting data might be safer from possible abuse by irresponsible web developer. Here's how to create the FTP account. Firstly, log into your cPanel. Click on FTP Accounts. At this login field, kindly choose one username for your web developer, for example, developer, and enter it here. Choose the domain that you want to grant them access from this drop-down list. Key in the password for this FTP account manually here. You can enter any password you like, as long as it's strong. Alternatively, you can also click Generate Password button here. Click on it repeatedly until you see a password you like. Once chosen, kindly copy and paste the password somewhere first, for example, in Notepad, so that you can give them to your web developer later on. Next, you need to insert the correct path or directory in this directory section. This is the trickiest part in this tutorial because if you insert wrong path or directory, your web developer will gain access to wrong folder. So, let's do it carefully. For example, for this demo, the main domain for this hosting is netklDemo.com. Therefore, by default, you will see /home/netklDemo/ here, where netklDemo is actually the username of the cPanel. Whereas, in this part, we want our web developer to access CaratorElectric.com folder only, therefore, kindly insert domain spelling, that is CaratorElectric.com only, here. And click Create. You have just created an FTP account, well done. Next, click on this Configure FTP Client link here, to display FTP account login you just created for your web developer just now. Kindly copy all these info and paste them into your notepad, so that you can send it to your web developer later on. Please note that, to log into your FTP, you will need all these info, that is, host, username, password, which you have already pasted earlier, and port. This is the username. Kindly copy and paste it here. This is the host. Kindly copy netklDemo.com only, without FTP. Like this, because that is the correct host, and paste the host here. The port is 21. Before you send this FTP login info to your web developer, please test them out first. To do that, you can open any FTP software, for example, FileZilla, and try to log into the FTP using these info. Key in all the 4 info, that is, host, username, password, and port. and click Quick Connect. If you see this pop up, just tick this Always Trust this certificate box and click OK. If you manage to log in successfully, well done. You have just created a special FTP account for your web developer. Congratulations. Thanks for watching. If you need any assistance, kindly contact us at support@netkl.com.